Hi, good morning, and this is our agenda for recent class. Let me go to the correct agenda. This is the 26th of August, 2020, and we're going to do our SEL question. Maybe, I don't know, we might have to do it at the end of class if we have time. We're going to go to Vista Learning, and we're going to go explore our textbook, and we're going to work on the missing assignments that you need to complete. So your homework is going to be your textbook activity since we didn't get into Vista on Monday because of the Zoom problems. So our learning target, I can identify basic introductions and vocabulary. Your success criteria, you can say hello and goodbye. You can log into Vista and you can complete your missing assignments. So let me go ahead and open up the Launchpad. All right, so we are going to go to neisd.net. And here is right here in Google, you're going to type neisd.net, and then you're going to go to the Launchpad. So click on the Launchpad. You might have to sign in with your Google credentials. And we're going to search right here, Vista. Okay, so we're going to go to Vista. And you're going to choose our book, which is called Get Ready. Let's click on our book. And yours is going to look different from mine. So let me go log in as a student. Okay, so when I log in as a student, I have to click the textbook. And right here, it tells me my actividades. So in order to start my activities, I have to click on this button right here, Start. Okay, and it will tell me, look, I already completed hello and goodbye. I need to do this one, vocabulary tutorial. So I click on it. It's going to open. I have to listen and repeat. I have to use the start button. And when I finish, I will have these activities completed. You'll see a check mark. If there's no check mark, that means you did not finish. If I want to go to my textbook, mi libro, I can click on here. Okay, and I can use the textbook. Puedo usar el libro, okay, to review para un repaso de la información. Okay, so I can use my textbook. All right, when you finish all the activities, you need to make sure that you log out. If I don't want to see this right here, I click on assignment list, okay, and then it disappears, desaparecer. So I go to return to dashboard, and it'll tell me how many activities I need to finish. ¿Cuántos necesito terminar? If I want to use my textbook, I go to vText. Okay, and I can turn the pages up here. I can go back. Right, we are using page 8, page 9, página 8, página 9, page 10, and page 11. So you need to complete the activities, okay, for class.